a Corvette without Bluetooth, and you do not need to replace the head unit. You can keep it exactly the way you can keep everything stock, but you'll be able to integrate your new iPhone with the system. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so first you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get this gadget. So we need to set this to 87.9. There. Now it's 87.9. You can hear that there's nothing but static. So now I'm going to connect the transmitter. Go to Pandora, iHeartRadio, or whichever music app that you want to use, and play. I choose acoustic so you can actually hear the sound quality. The sound quality is CD-like quality, unlike any other transmitter, which is muffled with statics and a lot of noise. This one is 100% clean, no static, no distortion.
It's a 2009 C6 Corvette 3LT package, 17,000 miles. The car wasn't equipped with Bluetooth, and I didn't want anybody tearing the car apart to have wires and stuff. And then I ran across Wesley's Gizmo Guy on YouTube. And now you can play all your music on your phone. It's absolutely perfect. Plus, you can answer any calls on your steering wheel controls. Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product. Thanks, Wesley.
So this gadget is really, really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me. GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. And this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. Is the transmitter really, really worth it, man? Trust me, guys, get this right here. It's worth it. GizmoGuy.com.
Add Bluetooth audio to your C6 Corvette. Get yours at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.